If you guys want to know how to do the zombie walk in Roblox, I'm going to show you how right now. So, first of all, you want to hop on your mobile device, and you're going to open up the Roblox app. This works on mobile, Android, PC, whatever type of device you're on, so don't worry whatever you're on. Now you're going to go to your avatar. To do that, you're going to click on the button in the bottom middle. It should have your face once it loads, but currently my internet is pretty slow. Just going to let it load real quick. But once it loads, you can click on the button, and it should bring you here. Now, you're going to click on the marketplace, not the customize, the marketplace right there. Now that you're here, you're going to scroll, click on animations. And now that you're here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the search button. Search zombie walk. Search it up, and it's the first one right here, the zombie animation. If you click on it, it should show you your idle, walk, run, jump, fall, climb, and swim. Zombie walk. And if you want to know any other tutorials, let me know. Thank you for watching.